Physical means no human interference. Physical means what? No human interference, which emerged naturally. So, no human interference. So the part of the earth where there is no human role at all, directly, indirectly, then it's called physical. So that geography is nothing but which regions? Natural regions will emerge because of that. When no human is directly, indirectly is involved or taken into consideration, then it becomes a which region? That means study of natural regions. Study of what? Natural regions. So in nature, what are the things? Right, you know it. In nature, mein kya hai? Just you see and observed it. What do you see? Can see. You see the land, you see the air, you can see water, you see the life, ice. These are 5 aspects. What are the 5 aspects? Like just land, air, water. Right, land, air. Air means atmosphere part. Water, then is what? Life and the ice. There are 5 spheres of the earth. That's called 5. Naturally, earth is divided into how many spheres? 5 parts, 5 aspects. Land part we call lithosphere. So now this branching will emerge on their own. Land part become what? Lithosphere. Okay, air means what? Right, atmosphere. These are the branches of physical geography. Atmosphere. Water, maximum water, 71% of the land is covered by what? Water. Earth's surface is covered by water. And that is in oceans. Right. So that is called hydrosphere. That's called what? Water part called? Hydrosphere. Earth's surface, 71% is by the land, by water, ocean, and the 29% is what? Land. If you see this, it's taken an aerial photograph of the 100% of the Earth's surface. So 29% you will see what? Land, and 71% is what? So you can say 71 coverage percent is this, and this 29% is coverage is this. It's factual information, just put it that point. Okay, the rest is above the surface is what? Air. Air is atmosphere. So the most of the climate part is happening here. So 5 layers, you just think we will divide it later on. Life aspects, right? Biosphere. Biosphere means here also the plant, animal geography will emerge. Ice means 10% of the Earth's surface covered by ice. Now it's been melting. 10% of the Earth's surface covered by what? The land part. And see, 10% of Earth's surface covered by ice, and it's called cryosphere. Cryo means very cold areas, which is snow-covered areas permanently covered under the snow. Called cryo, C-R-Y. Cryo means the very cold, you think of, minus temperatures. Cryosphere. That means Earth physically divided into how many spheres? 5 spheres. 5 हो गए. Lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and 5 part हो गए. And these are all which geography? And finally, when you land, air, and water, when all the 3 things, land, air, water, when all the 3 meets, it produces what? This is a connection, you understand this. Meeting of land, air, and water will produce what? Biosphere. So that's what, like, you can draw the Venn diagram like this in this situation. Like you might have seen this. It's called. What is the now? This is what called land part. This is air part, and this is called water part, and this should be what? Life. This is a biosphere part. So intersection of all the 3 natural things, land, air, and water, will produce life or biosphere. So now When you add all, finally, this is what? Environment. This is nothing but land, air, water, life, ice, all is becoming what? Environment. Nothing much. What is environment? Environment is everything surrounding you. Everything surrounding you. So environment means what? Everything. This all together become environment.